Unlock the crypto world in the Philippines by effortlessly funding your Binance account with GCash. First things first, ensure both your Binance and GCash accounts are set up and verified. On your Binance app, navigate to your wallet and tap on the deposit option. Select Fiat as your deposit type and then search for and choose Philippine Peso or PHP. You'll see various payment methods. Look for and select GCash as your preferred method. Now enter the amount you wish to deposit into your Binance account. Double-check the amount before proceeding. Binance will then prompt you to open your GCash app to complete the transaction. Accept this prompt. In your GCash app, you'll see a summary of the transaction. Review it carefully and then tap the Pay button. You'll receive a confirmation within your GCash app once the payment is successful. Back on Binance, your deposit will now be processed and you'll see the funds reflected in your wallet momentarily. And just like that, you've successfully deposited funds using GCash. Ready to dive into cryptocurrency trading?